2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392 Hemi. What we got done on it for you guys. This is before. It's still got the stock converters, stock X-pipe, and stock mid mufflers, and stock rear mufflers, and still got the stock tips. And what we're gonna do on it is we're gonna cut that one off, that one off. We're gonna cut these two middle off. It's gonna scream. You guys will see in a minute. Hope you guys enjoy it. 2019 Dodge Charger Hemi Scat Pack. And what we did after, there's the two cats still, there's the X-pipe, then we did the mid muffler delete right there on that side and that side, and then we did a rear muffler or rear resonator delete right there and right there, and then that's what we just took off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Wow. That's how you make an engine breathe, man. Don't you guys hear that inside? Oh, yeah.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me